somehow be around Khao Lak. There's a beautiful beach over there called Coconut Beach. I highly recommend go there, but it's not the same as 5 years ago. So just go there. Of course, if you're gonna be in Khao Lak, just rent the moped. Moped is slightly more expensive than in Ao Nang or Krabi, because usually in Ao Nang or Krabi you're gonna pay around, I would say, 200 baht for a day, and here is minimum 300 baht for a day. I'm saying about reasonable moped. We stay in a 3-star hotel called Seabox. It's quite nice. So in booking.com and ask for 700 baht a night, which is, I don't think is super expensive, but compare what we been previously, so 5 years ago, it's getting more expensive, because we used to have a room for like 300 baht, maybe 400 max, and now it's 700. But if you go directly to the guy, to the postman, he is charged you around 500, which is good price. And close by to this place is a renting moped family, I don't know how to say, and it's or either German guy or Swiss guy. Anyway, he has very nice bikes, but he charges you between 300 to whatever is your limit. I will highly recommend to go to Khao Lak. There is plenty of nice long beaches around, but definitely you need to rent moped. There's not so many people in this fun part actually, because Khao Lak is in Khao Lak there is more German people, and in Phuket is a Russian state, I would say. So it's just a fun fact. If you're gonna be around 3 nights here, I will suggest you to take the moped and come to the place called Google Translate.
Thai Mueang.
Anybody understand this?
Thai Mueang.
Thai Mueang. Anyway, or English.
Thai Mueang.
Okay. And there is a nice national park here. If it's nice and there is plenty of sun, not like today, and you can actually swim here. You see, there is no one today, absolutely no one, and we've been here already like 2 hours. Of course they're saying like, oh, please be aware, don't put plastic everywhere, blah blah blah. This anyway, plastic on that beach is everywhere, and inside this lovely place as well, but do not litter for sure. Yeah, occasionally there is someone here. There's a toilet, nice toilet here, and what I understand, the remainings of mining ship, which was built from concrete and abandoned later on. Sorry, Cup.
Check it. And my this is good.
What is that?
Ginger. Like
Wow.
the same like
Thai sushi. Thai sausage.
salad. Là tôi mà order. Không biết sẵn cái. Để chuyển cho đểไปเรียกกับพุ่งป้ามา collaborativo.
pork with some killer sauce and what? Is a cola with ice inside the bag.
This is not spicy at all. I think maybe after last one.
Yeah, compared to the sausage, this is not spicy at all. I want another one. Something from the salad.
ฝรั่งเข้าเลยครับเข้าไปเลยครับฝรั่งแล้วก็ซื้อคุยขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ